Hello and welcome to my floor. My name is Katrina. I am a graphic designer and I also have an Etsy shop where I sell cards, stickers, that type of thing. And I wanted to start filming this much earlier in the day when it was still nice outside and there was light, but it's 5 p.m. Today I'm going to be moving some things around my apartment. I know that these are some of the more popular videos on my channel and I do love moving things around my apartment and changing things, but like I say, I'm always trying to stop. It's kind of an expensive habit and it's a lot of work, but today I'm going to be changing my bed frame. I got a lower one just mostly for my dog Hank. He has trouble jumping on. He doesn't have trouble jumping on it, but he has a displaciated kneecap, which the vet told me about, like I asked her about a few years ago, and she said like it doesn't hurt them or anything, and on a scale from 1 to 4, 4 being like needs surgery, he's about a 1. But she said that jumping from like hard to soft and like jumping in general can be bad for them. I got Hank little stairs when I heard that, but he probably uses the stairs like 10% of the time, so yeah, I can't force him to take the stairs. I also just have like a steel adjustable frame for my bed and a box spring. The frame, because I don't have a headboard, it moves around a lot, and I feel like the box spring is getting like, my apartment is just like, the building's old and it's kind of dusty in here, and I do clean, I do really try to like reduce the dust in here, but it's still dusty and I feel like the box spring, like the bottom fabric tore off, so I feel like it's dusty. I feel like everything's dusty in here and it drives me crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna switch that and do a few other things. I have a little nightstand that I want to put up just that I can like fit in the corner, and yeah, a couple other things. I'm just gonna get started moving things around till I'm at the point of no return, so I don't sit here and think about all the things I need to do and put them off. So let's get started. Let's get off the floor and move things around. We'll start with the bed first. So this is what we're starting with. I just put everything off the couch to the side because I washed the blanket under there. This is all my market stuff. This is stuff I had on another thing. Again, more market stuff. That is my bed frame. That is Hank. That's all my stuff I washed. I just threw it on the bed and throw it on the couch so I can work on the bed stuff. And that is disgusting. This is Hank's little path. So I'm going to throw this in the wash. I did not think it was that disgusting until I moved his stairs, and like the comparison from there to there is disgusting. I'm going to start by removing the things from under my bed, things on top of my bed, lift up the mattress, and then we're going to take a picture of it to hopefully give it away on Marketplace. And yeah, let's get started. I basically cleared out this whole half of my living room, half of my apartment basically is completely empty. The other half is insane. I taken the box spring and the bed frame, put them in the basement. I cleaned all this area out and I'm gonna set up the bed frame now, and hopefully then I can make my bed and everything will be a little less crazy. The other thing I want to do is I got blackout blinds here behind me and when I was buying them, it like an option was like to put the side things on so light didn't come through, and I didn't really understand what it was asking, but then after a few nights I'm like, oh well, all the light just comes through the sides, so I went and bought the things to put on the sides to cover that up. So I'm gonna put those on and then I might call it a night. I have another blind that I want to put up, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel after this. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed right now because like I said, half my place is empty and the other half isn't, but what I do need to do is to set up this bed. I removed the carpet and I'll probably just wash it tomorrow because sometimes the washing machine is loud if you put something big in it, and it's only 7. I thought it was way later. But I don't want to be super disruptive, but now that it's 7, it's Saturday night, I might put it in. I'm really cool on a Saturday night, obviously. Oops. Knocking things around here. Okay, I've got everything set up. I did get a new thing staring at me. I did get a new mattress protector, but I can't find it for the life of me, so I might just put the mattress on now. The other mattress protector I already own. I took it off to wash it. So yeah, but we can't sleep like this. What do you think? This is my kind of made bed. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this off now. I'm gonna flip it over and clean the bottom out because it gets really dusty. I'm done setting up my bed and everything. Let me start that again. Okay, so I'm done setting up my bed and I took some time to like clean up everything. I haven't done like a good clean recently because I've been away or doing markets or that kind of thing. So I took a second and did well, more than a second. I took like an hour, maybe a bit longer, and did a good clean, dusted everything, wiped down the floors, and everything is nice and clean in here. I took out all the recycling, all the garbage, that kind of thing, and stopped and ate something, but now I'm back and I did put in my carpet in the washing machine. I ran it through. I might go and do it once more tomorrow just because it doesn't really fit in the washing machine that well. It is washable, but it's like one of the bigger sizes, so like washable as in like it can be washed, but I don't know if it's washable as in like does it fit in the washing machine well. So yeah, I put it in the washing machine. I think I'm going to do one more spin, also just like looking at it after I moved Hank's stairs. I'm a bit grossed out by it, so yeah, I washed that again, or I washed that once and I will wash it again tomorrow. And I just wanted to set up a little it's not really a bedside, yeah, a bedside table, that kind of like a small one that I have like a little nook that I want to put it in, because I have that vanity next to my bed, but I have a lot of other stuff in it, and I just feel like you can never have enough bedside table space. Mostly it's for books. I always have like my journal and my books just kind of like sitting around. They don't really have a place. So it would be nice to put things on there, and also just have it, especially when my bed's shorter now, just like a more reachable place to put things and get things. So that's what I'm going to work on next. So I put one up and it looks pretty good. I cut it the right amount, which is good. I did measure it more than once. So you can see, here's my pointer stick, all the light that's coming through. Oops, sorry, it's not focusing with my pointer stick. All the light coming through there, and then that just blocks it. And luckily they're just sticky because I don't want to drill into the side of these old ass windows. So I'm gonna put this one up and then cut the other ones. But I am going to end the video here. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed from just like moving things around for the last 24 hours, but I feel much better about my space and how everything is looking. So yeah, I'm happy that I have the bed set up. I've definitely cleaned up a lot. I'm hoping I don't sneeze as much from all the dust I've removed from here. Even that Christmas tree fluff is stuck in my mic. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.